Hey, man, y'all got to make a little bit more noise when y'all come in. That way I know you're there. Anyways, so I'm glad y'all showed up when you did. I'm unboxing some new headphones, man. This is the Tsumbay, what number is this? The Tsumbay TS BH17. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. I think the T is silent. Tsumbay, I like that. There's not a whole lot to the unboxing experience. So you didn't miss much. I just slid this cartridge out of here, and then let's put this box up so we can show it some respect. Because from my first touch of the headphones, I kind of like them. So get your user manual right here, which you know what? I'm a boss. I don't really know instructions. You have a very short micro USB connection cable right here for charging, and then you have a seems like a pretty good solid 3.5 millimeter auxiliary cable. Got plenty of those, so I'm just gonna stuff it back in there, put this to the side, and let's get to the star of the show. So first off, the build quality of these I think is actually pretty good. The design language reminds me a whole lot of the Sony On-Ear or the Sony, what is it, MH1000X2 or something like that. I can't remember that long model name. Anyways, it looks a lot like those headphones, which is nice. That's a compliment to these headphones, because they're very sleek and just nice looking. They don't really stand out. And also, with that being said, they do fold up this way so they can slide in a bag or in some flat carrying case, or if you want to, you can fold them up like that. So that works if you have some kind of carrying pouch. So no matter what case you have for them, because they don't come with one, it's actually going to fit in there. So with that same design language, we have this little pop-up right here. I don't know what's in this little space right here, but apparently it's needed for something. Maybe just an extra bass cavity or something, or where the driver actually sits. Then you got some really comfortable. This is just a synthetic or a vinyl. It's plush though, very plush ear cups here. You got your left and right markings right there. Same vinyl is carried on the inside of these, and you can see they're pretty flexible. I wouldn't go too far, but I mean, if your head is bigger than that, you need to like get your headphones custom made. But you do have that plush vinyl right in the center there for the top of your crown right there. And then let's see how far these go out. So they do extend quite a bit, so they can fit a pretty large grape, and they're not gonna like protrude off your head and make you look all weird. As a matter of fact, let me just put them on real quick. Okay, so this is too stretched out. Let me close it up a little bit. So I can actually wear these. Yeah, I can actually fit these on my head fully closed. So this is what they look like. So you get your head bob on, and you don't look like you got on some type of helmet or something. Very inconspicuous headphones, but the design language and build quality, I'm all right with it, man. I think they did a pretty good job here. Now the plastic doesn't seem like a super durable plastic. Be careful with these, man. I'm not saying they're super delicate, but don't be banging them up against the wall. Don't be, just don't be so hard on your stuff, and these should last you a pretty good while. Let's look here, let's look around. So we only have buttons on the left ear cup, and that is different. Usually all the controls are on the right side, unless you have controls on both sides, but everything is located in this left ear cup. We have so we have a more of a rocker switch for volume up and volume down. We got a bass. What? This is a bass boost button? Yeah, okay, well it doesn't say anything. Okay, it says with extra bass boost. Get out of here. All right, so it's got a bass boost button. Get it, Tsumbay. And then you got your power button. It looks like an LED. Yeah, that's an LED. You got your auxiliary in, and then you have your micro USB, and this looks like a microphone right here. Are there any other mics? Okay, so your microphone's on the left. So you can probably use these for calls too. Let me see. Yep, hands-free calling. So let's just get these things paired up and see how they work. You know what? One more thing I want to mention about the design language. Look at the branding, okay? Other companies, take note, okay? There's only a little bit of branding on here. Tsumbay in red, and it's not huge. I really like that. Unless your logo is just super nice, don't be sticking your logo all over everything, man. I mean, hey, it is what it is. I get it though. You have to brand your product so people know, what you're listening to and stuff like that. That way, it's kind of like advertising. I get it, but man, sometimes it's just overly done. Let me get this paired up. Let me jam some music real quick so I can show y'all what's up with these headphones. All right, so Slide with Frank Ocean and the Migos. That was the last track I was listening to. Let me power these on. Okay, so it's paired up. And we're done with that. Let me just play what I got on here. Slide featuring Frank Ocean and Migos. So this is my boot camp jams playlist. That's what I was playing last. I'm trying to remember how that song goes, but I guess we're gonna see now. Hold on. Oh, I do know this song. I like this song. Whew. So the beat hasn't kicked in yet, but they are loud. Woo! Okay, so with the bass boost off, it's plenty loud, and all the vocals and everything is there. Everything's kind of toned down in the sound quality. The bass is still there though, but the bass boost actually does kick up the bass a notch, but it also it raises all the levels. So the bass boost is a bass boost, but it's also a sound boost. It's almost like hitting the loudness button. If you got a car stereo and then you have that loud button on there, or that loud feature, and it's like normal mode is like playing music with that off, which is still sounds good, right? But then you hit that loud button and everything just comes to life, just banging. So that's what this bass button is actually doing here. It's more of a, yeah, it definitely enhances the sound a lot. I would probably say it's probably better to just listen to it with it on all the time. They sound pretty dang on good, but I will tell you, at the height of the volume levels, they get so loud, man. There's some harmonic distortion in there. You're gonna find it in your highs, and your bass will shatter a little bit at the high end of the volume levels. So just turn it down. I would say turn these down about 2 to 3 notches, not just that one. 2 to 3 notches. It's still gonna be plenty loud. You're gonna have a lot of bass, but that's where you stop the harmonic distortion, when you get like all max volume and then back it off like three clicks, and then you're good to go. These things get loud, man. And wait till that bass drops. Here we go. Ooh, man, it's there. The bass is there. I know you can't probably hear it. Let me pause this. I know you can't probably hear it. But what I have noticed is when you put these on the table, or on my leg or arm or anything, just to kind of simulate, you know, the headphones being on your head, these things leak sound like crazy. They might as well be open back headphones because they do leak sound kind of like crazy. But hey, who cares, man? It's all about your music anyways. But look, I say these are a pretty good buy, man, especially for the price. Great design language. The build quality is very, very good. Like I said, you just need to take care of them though, because you know it's this plastic material all around. I mean, I think everything is plastic. There's this little band of aluminum in here, but everything else is plastic. Take care of them. Very comfortable. Let me see. Very comfortable and super, super light. Sound, we just talked about that. I give them a thumbs up, but I ain't coming to be no expert in this stuff. I'm just jamming some headphones here and there and giving y'all my opinion about it. But before I get out of here, I'm gonna need y'all to hit that little bell so you can get the notifications about my next video. And then you can tap on that like button, smash on that subscribe button, and I'll see y'all at the next one.